improve your SwiftUI skills with iOS 17? In this video, we're diving deep into SwiftData relationships, where you will learn how to build smarter, more efficient apps. By the end, you will have an app that lets users check out library books while tracking the relationship of borrowed items. As you can see on this screen, I can check out any book. If I go to, you will see that Yahuwah's book, Yahuwah's Bible, has been checked out. I can check out another book, The Great Gatsby, and also To Kill a Mockingbird. And then if I navigate tab view item, you can see that I've checked out 3 books. And if I want to return the books, I just click on the return button. So I'll return 2 books, Yahuwah's Bible and To Kill a Mockingbird. Return back to the checked out view. As you can see, those 2 books have been returned to the library. So this is the application that we're creating in this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will continue with our book list view to add our checkouts and return buttons. So the first thing we need to do is to continue from line 59 within the book list view. We need to create our button. The button will have an action. The purpose of the action is to check if the book is checked out or not. And then the next thing we need to do is to locate the corresponding checked out book instance. If let checked out checked out book is equal to checked out book dot first. So it's searching the array of the books using the book ID. So if the 2 book IDs are the same, that means the book has been checked out. Since the book has been checked out, we need to give the user the option to return that checked out book. So we use the view model, return book method. And then we pass in the book that we want to check back in to make that book available. And then pass the model context to enable the database to be updated, so that when the user clicks on the button, the book will be checked back in to the system into SwiftData days. On line 63, if in the checked out books, the second one, we need an S at the end. Else, if the book has not been checked out, then allow the user to check out the book. And store or save the model context to SwiftData to signify that the book has been checked out. And then we need to create our caption for the button, which is text view model is book checked out, pass a book instance, and the array checked out books. Checked out books. So the next one we need to do is use an if statement or a ternary operator. So this will include the caption return, else it will include the caption check out. So what that does, it displays return if the book is checked out, otherwise it will show check out as a caption. Got font, weight, got bold, got frame, max, width, infinity, min height, 44. On line 75, just make sure the buttons are the same height and width. Got padding, and then the next thing we can do is to change the background color of the button depending on the state, if it's checked in or checked out. So that's view model dot is book checked out. So we pass an instance of a book, and the checked out book array. Checked out books. So if the book has been checked out, we change the color to red. Else, if the book is available, we change the color to blue. That means the book hasn't been checked out. Next thing we need to do is to set the text foreground color to white, corner radius 10, dot padding horizontal 20, dot shadow radius 5, and then the next thing we need to do is to set the fixed width for the buttons using dot frame, max width 200, dot padding, dot vertical 8, and then the final things we need to do is to add a navigation title. I'll just call it library books, dot searchable $ search text, and the prompt for searchable will be search books by title. And then all we need to do now is call on a pair. If books dot is empty, then we need to pass the model context to our view model to insert the test data into SwiftData. Insert predefined books if needed. Model context. Now just compile it. In the next tutorial, we will create the checked out books view. The purpose of the checked out books view is to enable all the checked out books to be displayed on a separate view. So that's for next tutorial. Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like and subscribe. See you next week.